friends, it's Jade from Sweet Softies. I'm really excited to share with you my two newest amigurumi designs, and it is a red panda and a little fox. And as you can see, I made them using the same exact colors, cream, pink, and also this gray. And I used burlap blanket yarn, which is, let me grab that here. It's a super soft and fun to work with yarn. At first, you might find it a little bit strange to work with if you normally use acrylic or cotton yarn, because you won't see the stitches as clearly with the blanket yarn. But once you get the hang of it, you'll love it because it works up super fast. So I crocheted these using a 6mm crochet hook, and they worked up in a jiffy. Now, I wanted to share with you really quickly the features for these two patterns and some of the key differences between these two guys. One is the red panda is actually bigger than the fox. You might be able to tell, but the red panda is about 2 inches taller, and its arms and legs, body and head and ears, and clearly its tail is quite a bit larger than the fox's. The arms and legs are actually sewn onto the body, and you also get to do a little bit of fun stitching on the side if you want to make the red panda markings. For the fox, what's really awesome is that the arms and legs are actually crocheted directly onto the body. Same with the tail here. So it's a minimal sew project. All I did was sew on the 2 ears and the head to the body. Other than that, it was crocheted in one piece. So these are both really fun projects, and I highly recommend it for anyone who wants to make a large amigurumi but doesn't want to spend that much time crocheting, because they work up so quickly. And I think they would make great craft fair products as well. If you want to sell them, you can. Please credit me as the designer. And yeah, I hope you will enjoy these patterns. I'm actually really proud of how I did the shaping for the face. It took some trial and error, but I was able to get a snout shape with a large forehead that I'm quite proud of for both of these little guys. And I also rarely use safety noses, these little plastic safety noses here, because I tend to make small amigurumis and there aren't enough tiny safety noses to use. I have like medium to large size safety noses. So I finally got to bust them out, and I think they look rather cute. All right, well, let me know what you think of my fox and panda here. And if you want to help me name these two, that would be fantastic. I currently have no idea what to name my little red fox and my little red panda and my little fox. So any suggestions and ideas and help would be great. All right, thanks so much for watching, and hope you have a fun time crafting. Bye now.